So is what I'm going to present here is the tilt shift effect in After Effects. I think it looks better than doing it in Premiere. So the first thing that you need to do is drag in your video and then go new, adjustment layer, and then rename it to lens blur. That's what I chose. And then after that, you need to make a solid. And the solid needs to be white, the color. And then you pre-compose that and move all attributes and check the open new composition. And then you will grab the mask layer and put a box around it with the layer selected, like I'm showing, and then you invert it and then feather it out to your liking. Mine's around 500 or so. And you go back into the main comp and then turn off the pre-comp that you made and then rename it to blur map, or you can name it and then turn it off. Then go into effects and presets and search for camera lens blur and put that on the lens blur layer, and then change the blur radius to 50. The shape octagon, which of course you can choose whatever you like. The roundness 100. And then the fringe 295. And then we'll go down to gain, change that to 15. And then threshold 40, and then saturation 100. And make sure repeat edge pixels is checked on. And then you go to the blur map layer and choose the blur map layer, and then after you do that, then you will see the effect. I'm using full 4K imaging here, so anyways, this is the best way that I've came across to do this effect. So please like and share. Thank you.